If you have some sag on the lip here on the side piece, what you need to do is drop the side splash guard. You need to look up in there, and there are two holes here, and the one closest to the rotor is what's going to help your alignment at the edge here. At least it did for me. And the silver screws that come with the Auto Addict kit will thread into a silver U-nut that is on the bumper. They will thread through there, and just make sure you line up the hole with the fascia and the lip. Use a washer because the head of the screw is too small, but do that. So here's the hardware that came with the Auto Addict kit. I'm gonna use these silver U-nuts and this screw. You can use a different U-nut, but it is a pain to get up in there. If you're having trouble threading the U-nut in through the lip, then I would not worry about going through the lip at first. Just take the side, lower the side piece down, thread the screw in there with the washer to tighten it, to kind of clamp the U-nut down to get it to be a tighter fit so that the back side is closer and the threads will start catching sooner. But now I fixed that so I can reattach the side piece to the middle piece. I can get my splash guard back behind the lip where it belongs. Put those T15s in and should be completely done.